What's up, everybody? This is Carolina Mike, your host for SharePoint in 60 seconds, where you can get the information you need in the first few minutes. And if you want more details, stick around for a step-by-step walkthrough. Today, we're going to show you how to create your very own personal views in SharePoint. Stick around.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra, careful with my hands cause I gotta use them forward.
Okay, you know how we do it. Let's get the timer rolling and let's rock and roll. All right, first thing you're going to do is you're going to make the view look the way you want it to look. You know, maybe you want this column over here, so you drag it over here. And then maybe you want it grouped by color, so you hit the drop down, group by color. And you can make all sorts of different changes, you know, that you want to this particular view. And little asterisk shows that you've made some changes. Well, now you want to save those, but you don't want to necessarily affect this particular view. So you hit the drop down, save view as, and you're gonna name it something sweet. And you can make it public or not. Let's just say we're gonna keep it personal for us, and then click save. And now you are done. So now when you leave and come back here, you can find your something sweet view. Boom, you're done. All right, so now let's take it back, peel back the covers, slow it down a little bit, and talk about it in detail. Before we do that, I want to give a quick shout out to all of the folks watching right now, people watched in the past, and if you've liked and subscribed and hit that bell notification, if you haven't done it, now's your chance. Do that, like, subscribe, bell, so you can know as soon as new videos are available. Alrighty, so let's see here. So basically, let's go back to our all documents view. And so here's our all documents view. And the neat thing about the modern lists and libraries is that you can go into these views and you can do things like expand or contract the column size. You can, add or remove columns if you go to show hide here. So let's go to show hide, and let's say I want to add in the ID column, and I can also drag it where I want it to go. So this is super intuitive, way better than the classic apply, and now we got the IDs over here. Let's say you wanted to do some filters. Let's say you wanted to create a view where you only saw just the small items. So we go in here, we hit the drop down, filter by, small, apply, boom, now we got that. So if we want to save that, we hit the drop down, we go save view as, and then you have an option here. Well, first you have to rename it, right? So you can't have two views with the same name. We can call this size small. And you have a choice of making it public or not. If you make it public, that means everybody who has access to view this library will see the view. If you don't make it public, then it's just a private personal view just for you, and no one else will be able to see it. Decide what you want, click save, and there you go. So now if you leave this library and you come back, it's going to take you to the default view, right? And the default view here is all documents. And you could set whatever view you want to be default. But, if you had not saved those changes or saved that view as a new public or personal view, then once you leave the library and come back, that view is gone forever. And that's just sad. So if you want to come back to it, make sure you save as, rename it, and then here you go. We got size small. Boom. That does it. Hope this has been helpful for you. Remember, keep doing the very best you can with what you got, and SharePoint rocks, so do you. We'll see you next time. Take it easy, y'all.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra, careful with my hands cause I gotta use them forward. Yeah, I'm a big old nerd. I like maple syrup on my pancakes. I don't care what you heard.